8 kitchen styles brimming with timeless appeal. These days many modern cooking spaces are all about blending into an open concept layout, as shown in this bachelor pad by Black Lacquer Design. Flat front cabinetry that resembles sleek modern furniture instead of traditional kitchen cabinets is one of the hallmarks of the modern kitchen. Spaces like these are known for combining function and beauty, hence the dramatic, black marble countertop that feels more high-end design than other more common and less expensive countertop materials like granite or butcher block. Our favorite feature in the kitchen is the sleek wine fridge. It is a reminder that the best kitchens, no matter their style, should be tricked out with irresistible features based on your lifestyle. Arguably the most popular kitchen style these days is modern farmhouse. It combines rustic and sometimes industrial design with modern features that have a homey vibe, and can stand up to daily wear and tear. A favorite example is this lovely white kitchen by Holly Mathis Interiors. Subway tile, a staple of the look, sets the tone for both beauty and function. Natural wood tones, particularly in the form of open shelving, is another hallmark of the style. Note the industrial-inspired task lighting, which lends a little gritty edge. Of course, no modern farmhouse kitchen is complete without shiplap or beadboard. Here the latter covers the cross-sided kitchen island. Do not confuse modern country kitchens with modern farmhouse kitchens. This gorgeous kitchen by interior designer Allison Candler features a variety of embellishments that feel more old-timey than contemporary, like the white cabinetry with a traditional vibe and the custom, scalloped oven hood. The painted floor featuring a checkerboard design is a retro touch true to country style. Bold colors, most notably yellow and red, are another hallmark of the look. The icing on the proverbial cupcake is the vintage barn lighting illuminating the rustic kitchen island. Contemporary kitchens have a similar feel to that of modern kitchens, though their lines are often softer. While contemporary style does oftentimes feature modern touches, fixtures and accents are usually more lived-in and less sharp. Sleek flat front cabinets tricked out with quiet closing technology and top-of-the-line stainless steel smart appliances set the tone for this contemporary kitchen by synergistic development. When it comes to cooking spaces, there is nothing quite as iconic as the French country style. This beautiful cooking space by Sorrento Design features a warm color of scheme plucked from a Provençal landscape. The creamy cabinetry has a distressed finish that projects an old-world vibe. The unofficial symbol of French country is the rooster, so it makes sense for there to be a porcelain figure standing proud in the corner. Note the wrought iron chandelier. Regal fixtures like this one are deeply rooted in the decor style. Typically the term retro is applied to newly remodeled cooking spaces with a chic mid-century modern vibe, as shown in this stunning example by Jackson Design and Remodeling. The crowning jewel in the room is the yellow retro stove, a new appliance by Big Chill that only looks old-timey. The yellow and black tile countertop is another retro classic that costs much less to install than both natural or manufactured stone. Apron front sinks work in any type of kitchen, and here it only heightens this space's retro appeal. Sealing the deal on this cooking space's appearance is the marmoleum floor. It is a nod to the classic linoleum checkerboard floor that first gained popularity in kitchens during the 1950s. Bright white cabinets and walls and natural toned wood and rattan textures are the anchors for Scandinavian-inspired kitchens like this one by House 7 Design and Build. Neutral colors, natural textures, and rules of minimalism are often applied to these spaces. An overwhelming favorite style of kitchen is traditional because spaces like these are defined by classic features that add both livable function and enduring beauty that stand the test of time. This monochromatic cooking space by Turek Design proves our point by combining shaker-style cabinetry with a gorgeous marble backsplash and a soapstone countertop. The classic globe task lighting will never go out of style. We also love the shaker-inspired chairs that contribute their timeless appeal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.